Hi, I'm Mike from iSeek Blinds. We're getting through our curtains videos. I hope I'm not boring you too much. In this video, we're going to talk about our track options and also our bracket types. This is really important information to consider when you're measuring what options you've got and sort of how to combine those with the tracks and brackets. I've got to teach you about that stuff. Now, we have two tracks at iSeek Blinds. We have the standard track, which is this nice sort of standard square sort of profile. This comes in three colors, this track here, and I just want to put them against the wall. Kylie, that's vivid white, that wall color, isn't it? Yep. So that's the three colors there. This is the vivid white wall. So a nice white, a silver, and a black. So that's the standard track. And let's get a bit more familiar with it. That's what you can see here. The standard track has three bracket types that I want to show you. Now I've actually just fitted the S-fold tape to that little piece of sample track. This is our ceiling mount bracket, this one here. This is our standard wall mount bracket. We do have some adjustability, but typically this would be a bracket used if we're just got to come over an architrave perhaps, and you can see that's our wall just there. So you can see we've still got 19 mils gap there. And this is our extension bracket, this guy here, and we can adjust that to push the curtain out further, particularly if we've got to go over a roller blind. Now, with these bracket types, you can see a standard track can be ceiling mounted, or these two brackets here are what allows us to install from a wall and then come off the wall. Now, the actual bracket itself, that one and that one and that one, it's just the same, but there's just these little returns here are just slightly bigger. So that's all it is. It's nothing to get overwhelmed about. It just gives us a bit more space at the back there. All right. So wall mounted or ceiling mounted, three colors, standard track. The next track is a really popular one on the iSeek Blinds website. It's My Little Cutie. This is called a curved track. And the reason why it's called curved is because it's got just that nice little radius just at the front of it. Now, this is just a really nice lightweight curtain track. So it's only available to mount from the ceiling, and then that's the bracket. That's the ceiling mount bracket that it has there. So that just clips on and that's the bracket. So can you come in a little bit closer, Kylie? And I just want to show the two tracks side by side. I might put that away from the joint. So this is the curved track, and you can see that there's no gap at the top there. That little lip sort of comes in above the bracket and makes that look nice and neat and nice and flush. This one is the standard track, can be ceiling or wall mounted. This is the curved track, which can just be ceiling mounted there. And this has got that nice little flush curve there, which is proving to be really popular. It's nice sleek track as well, so lets the sheer curtain do the talking and not the track. Now, this one's available in white only. I think I've covered everything. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.